Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over the most comfortable neck strap that I've ever put on a camera before. So let's get into it. So this is the PGYTECH Camera Neck Strap, and it is incredibly comfortable. This was loaned to me by the camera store downtown. You can pick yours up there just for $64.95, so 65 Canadian dollars down at the camera store in downtown Calgary. And this is a very interesting neck strap because not only is it adjustable, but it is a quick release neck strap as well. So you can attach it, detach it as you may or not need a neck strap on the day that you're shooting. So getting into the specifics of the design, have a look at the softness and the quality of the top of the strap. It is incredible. It's like a rounded corner, soft padded strap. You can see the soft material on the bottom of this. And then that leads into a webbing material on the main body of the strap. You can see this is like a safety belt, kind of like a webbing on the main part of the strap. Now, another strap manufacturer uses this as in the totality of their strap. They use the whole strap is made of this webbing. And while that's simple and slick, what happens is, I've used this, no names mentioned, I've used these straps before. And what happens is the edges of this actually dig into your neck when you put a little bit of weight on it, right? So this is not meant ideally for use across the whole strap. I do prefer straps with a softer neoprene, kind of like a stretchy. This one actually doesn't stretch too much. Doesn't give too much, but really well designed. I prefer this kind of material where it actually meets your neck because that's just a lot more comfortable. You can see when I put this on, that part of the strap fits directly over my neck over here, and if you're running the strap over your shoulder like this, you can see that still makes nice contact, and it doesn't move around either because it's like completely sewn in to the strap. So this main selling feature about the strap is the slide design. So the slide design is adjustable from both sides, and that enables you to cinch the strap up so that you're carrying your camera right in front of you over here. And if you need to shoot, you can actually, it's long enough to actually bring this to your eye, whichever eye you shoot with, in this configuration. But if you need to lengthen it up to have this down around your waist, all you do is you just pull on the strap and it just goes there. This can be done either side. So there's a cinch on this side and there's also a cinch on the other side as well. So when you run this arm through, depending on which shoulder you want to carry this on, it can be lengthened from either side. So that's really handy as far as the design is concerned. The claim to fame on this strap is not only the slide design, but it's also the quick release. So if you have a look here, there's just like a push button that releases the camera strap, so you can take both sides off really quickly. And there the camera strap is off. And you can go hands-free using just the camera, and you have these little danglies on the side over here. Now, speaking about these little quick attachments, you can see the design of this quick attachment. I'm going to bring it a little closer here so you can see. So this is a very, very simple design, just like the other competitor quick release design, except they put a little ball design on the end of theirs instead of a flat tab. Okay, and they give you an extra set as well. So there are two sets with this camera strap. This one is almost themed like Sony-like, because it's like kind of like an orange kind of design. So if you're a Sony user, you'll welcome this colorway, because it's it's almost in theming with the branding colors of Sony. They also give you these little hooks that you can actually attach to the side of your camera in case you want a little bit of a more low profile hook than the or attachment than you can see that Sony's has a triangle. I think Nikon also has a triangle. They've given you like a paperclip style of like a figure 8 loop over there that you can use. And these little attachment points, you might think these are quite flimsy or weak, but they can actually withstand 90 kilograms of weight, or claimed 90 kilograms of weight attachment. So I mean, that's just a little lighter than I am. So that's a lot of weight that this can actually handle. And what they've actually included in the design of this is it's a 3-layer braid. So the outer layer is, as you can see, the outer layer is black. Then there is a middle layer that is yellow, and then beyond the middle layer they have a red core. And the core is actually the weight supporting base of this design. So the core is actually what's going to carry the weight load on the strap. And they recommend replacing these little lanyards when you see the yellow. So when you see the middle braid exposing. So if this begins to scuff over the period of a few years, and you start to see the middle material exposed, that's the yellow material, not even nearing the red, then you should replace it, just for safety. It's only when you get to the red that you're actually in danger of actually having this fail on you. And I've seen camera straps, traditional camera straps, neck straps, don't even have this feature built in. They gradually get worn away over time, and eventually they just fail. So they also fail over time. Whereas at least this system gives you a warning where you have like the outer layer, middle layer, and the inner layer that in turn signal you as the wear progresses on these little attachment points. In the bag, they also handily give you the tripod attachment plate, a quick release plate. And they don't skimp on the quality of this either. It's an Arca Swiss plate, and it has a screw at the back of it that has a knurled design so that you can really drive this nice and tightly with your fingers if you don't have a tool. But they actually supply you with a tool as well, so you can actually wrench this down on the bottom of your camera and make sure it doesn't come off. They really go all out to make sure that this is the safest, most well-designed plate that they could possibly design for you. In that the design underneath this plate has a little washer that actually tightens up. When you tighten this up on your body, it's actually an anti-slip washer, so that it prevents, they say it maintains a positive contact with your camera over time. It doesn't loosen up. So once you wrench that down, it's going to tend to stay there. It's not going to unwind as time goes on. And that's important because they provide attachment points for their system to slide. You can actually slide their little loops through the base of this. It slides through here, and thereby you can actually attach your neck strap to the plate. So this slides on right over there. So you can actually preload your plate with the extra set if you want to, and then keep the first set on your camera like that, so that you have a plate ready to go if you want to carry it that way. Right. They also, in the kit, they give you like little fan, little paraphernalia like this sticker set, a dark and a light sticker set if you like to. Stick it on your laptop or on a hard side camera case like a Nanak or a Pelican case or something like that. Nice. I've got a couple of DJI stickers that I stick everywhere as well. Nice that they give you the that as well, and that they give you a plate as well to actually help you attach. So it's not just a camera strap that they're providing for you. They're providing you with a complete system that you can use. And as far as speed of use is concerned, every time you want to go use this, it's as easy as clicking on the one side and the other side. I mean, how quick is that to get your camera strap ready to go? And then when you don't need it anymore, you take it off and pack it away. I think it's a very comfortable camera strap to be carrying around. Criticisms of the camera strap, if I was to criticize the camera strap, I would say that I would personally like the strap to be able to be adjusted even shorter than this. This camera strap is primarily designed to be slung over a shoulder. The length is perfect for slinging over a shoulder or lowering onto your waist. But if you wanted to carry your camera strictly around your neck, this goes right down to your waistline. So if you wanted your camera to be right up short on your chest, this doesn't actually cinch up short enough to actually come up to mid-chest. So if you wanted a really short strap, this is not the strap for you. But then again, if you were wanting to use it at that height, you might as well just take the camera strap off and just hold it in your hand like that. Overall, I think the design is a great design from PGYTECH. On a positive note, you can see the way that it releases. It's not coming out of there unless you specifically press this button. If you have to very deliberately press this button to actually release that. And you can see it's sprung load over there. It just clips in. Very, very solid connection. I have no complaints about that. They've really thought about the design of that. For the length of the strap, I wouldn't say it's that much of a negative for me. I would say I mean, I'm mostly going to I like the design of carrying it over the shoulder like this. I prefer that to something that's hanging very, very shortly over your neck. And if you want to carry it in that position over there, it's going to carry nice and central to your torso, at least to mine, and then quickly comes up to your eye and goes back down. And it's very comfortable. It doesn't chafe your neck when you do that motion, so it's very, very soft in that respect. I really like it, and for like $65, at the camera store downtown in Calgary, it is quite affordable compared to the competitor that's pricing their straps like near $100, sometimes even over $100. So this is coming up at a much lower price point, but the quality is, in my opinion, it's improved because they've added all this functionality to the strap. They've added the really secure attachment points. They've given you an extra set. They give you the attachment tripod plate as well in the set, as well as an Allen key, as well as the stickers if you value that. And this will support any camera that you want to put it onto. I've got it attached to a very, very lightweight mirrorless camera right now, but you can put this on a pro body and it will be very, very comfortable, and it'll certainly bear that weight. It doesn't matter how heavy the camera is, it's going to accommodate that camera. I really like this strap, and it comes in a variety of colors as well. It comes in this like light gray color, which matches my hair, but it also comes in a blue color if you prefer the blue, or a black. I believe it also comes like in other colorways as well. So you can really express yourself with a strap like this as well, and you can comfortably carry your camera all day long with this. It's really important to have a comfortable camera strap around your neck. The ones that are supplied with the camera are very, very bare bones, rough camera straps, and that can kind of put you off taking your camera with you, because you put it on and it's like, it's uncomfortable the whole day. Whereas if you buy a strap like this, it makes you want to use your camera. So I highly recommend picking up one of these PGYTECHs at the camera store downtown. Join me again next time for an interesting review of the next product, and thank you for joining. If you haven't already, like and subscribe so that you can be notified of upcoming videos, and I'll see you on the next one.